Bhanushali. I'm heading marketing at Aliens Tattoo for more than 5 years now. And Aliens Tattoo has begun 13 years back. That was in 2011. And yeah, it's been more than 13 years now. This, where we are standing as of now, is our Hyderabad franchisee. It's been 1 year now. We're celebrating our tattoo anniversary. Yeah, that's about it. I would like to introduce Amritpal. He's our franchisee owner for the Hyderabad franchisee.
There is a more demand for realism and also barcode tattoo. They are appreciating very much.
So, Sunny Bhanushali is our founder and CEO as of now. He was the one who founded Aliens Tattoo 13 years back. And yeah, he's the lead artist at Aliens Tattoo. He couldn't make it today here in Hyderabad because of some prior commitments. That's why we, on his behalf, are speaking today.